Hi and welcome to Motormatch Bolton. My name's Abby and in this video I am showing you this Volkswagen Golf R. This model is the TSI BlueMotion Tech DSG 4Motion with a 2-litre petrol engine. Taking a look at the front, it will have LED daytime running lights, it has LED indicators giving it that modern look. It also has front parking sensors which does help with those tight spaces, looking sporty from all angles. It does include the R badge in the grille, which is the model. Looking now to the side, it has the gorgeous 18-inch alloy wheels that do give it a sporty look. Further up, the R badging on both front wings, again, which is the model. It has the electric folding silver wing mirrors with the integrated indicators, the black trim around the windows and the rear tinted glass. Looking now inside the rear, and it has room for 3 passengers. The seats are finished in part cloth, part suede, looking absolutely amazing. There is the centre armrest along with 2 cup holders. There are storage compartments near the doors as well as storage pockets in the 2 front seats. There is plenty of space for your rear passengers. I'll just show you now the rear. To the left it does have the R badge, which is the model. It has LED indicators giving it that modern look. It also has rear parking sensors which does make parking a lot more easier. Taking a closer look at the rear spoiler, which does give it a sporty look. I'll just show you now into the boot, and it does open up to a huge amount of space which is super practical. The mileage covered is 20,981. On the driver's side is the leather steering wheel. Continuing is the part cloth, part suede seats. The 2 front ones are sport. It does have the embossed R logo at the top, looking great and are super comfortable. Inside the vehicle now is the leather multifunction steering wheel with the R logo just at the bottom. To the left it does have cruise control and speed limiter, perfect for those longer journeys. Underneath, volume up or down. To the right you can answer the telephone. With the arrows here at the bottom, you can skip through the radio stations like so. With the arrows up and down, you can skip through the different driver information. The little grey arrows will show you different driver displays. On top, the gear shift paddles. On the driver's door is the heated electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, the unlock and unlocking, the 4 electric window controls, further down a storage compartment, and further up it does have the control for the lights, which currently is on automatic. Looking through the middle, and this central display is touchscreen. It is also controlled by the buttons surrounding. Just going on to radio, there are different radio wave bands, as well as plenty of radio stations to choose from. With the Bluetooth function you can listen to your own music, as well as answer any phone calls. You can adjust the sound settings. Just going on to car and it will show you different vehicles' statuses. Back to the main menu, and it does have different setup settings that easily can be changed. Here is the dual climate control, which is easily adjustable with the dials like so. It has the front heated windscreen and the heated rear window. There is a little storage compartment which does have a USB and aux connectivity port. This vehicle does have different driving modes which do appear on the central display, making your journey a lot more enjoyable. It has the automatic transmission with the electric handbrake, just popping it into reverse, and the front and rear parking aid will appear on this screen, helping with those tight spaces. There is a 12-volt socket as well as 2 cup holders. Also further back there is a storage compartment. If you could see yourself driving this lovely Golf, then please feel free to give us a call, and thank you for watching my video.